There are 10 to 11 key beliefs about narrative theory, narrative therapy. Narrative approach is given here. Even if you understand all these key beliefs, almost you learn the narrative therapy, because all of you are mature people and you understand what it means. So clients are expert. What is the key belief? Client, one who is bringing you the problem, he is an expert. In other words, he has a positive setup of mind. If he has a negative setup of mind and he tells you that he don't understand the problem at all, then don't use narrative therapy. If he is able to tell you why the problem is occurring, who is responsible for the problem, but he is not able to reach to the solution, then the narrative approach is important. For example, a younger child tells the friend, my parents are biased. They support the eldest son. Or take another case, a girl from a traditional family tells her friend, my brother gets everything and I am deprived of giving it. My parents always tells me, you are a girl, why you need all these things? I remember a case of one lady who is now in Dubai. At the age of 41, her behavior was so abnormal that she was literally torturing the son, the eldest son. If she was always torturing the eldest son if she noticed that anything is deprived to younger sister by her son. And when I went into the deep of the problem, I have noticed that the lady at the age of 7 to 14 years, 7 to 13 years, means childhood and early adolescence ages, has been scolded by the father saying one common statement, you are a girl, why you need all this? Your brothers all needs all this because they are our descendants. You are going to marry someone and you are going out of the family. The lady is from the traditional family, but fortunately she is very intelligent lady. She, in a odd situation, in a very odd circumstances, she studied well and she has been married to one businessman in Dubai, and she went to Dubai and she is better than both of the brother now. But she was literally crying and telling me how her father was scolding him. Common statement, तुम लड़की हो, पढ़ के क्या करोगी? Her brothers has been admitted into CBSE and English medium school. She has been admitted into corporation school and a Hindi medium school. And it is told to her, तुम लड़की हो, पढ़कर क्या करोगी? तुम्हारी तो शादी ही हमको करवा देना है। ये उस लड़की को उसके उम्र के 6-7 साल से 13-14 साल तक कंटिन्यूअसली सुनना पड़ा। As a result, at the age of 41, she was taking care of her younger daughter to the extent of torturing the eldest son. But all this was in her unconscious mind. It is not a problem of a conscious mind. Then what I did, I brought the problem to the conscious mind. She cried a lot, and I explained her the problem is not with your eldest son, the problem is with you. So when consciously it is explained to her, it took hardly 1 or 2 meetings to resolve her problem. Now she went to Dubai. She came here for 10 to 15 days. Now she went to Dubai, and she has promised me that she will, when she will return back, she will definitely visit, and she will tell me what is the status of her mind. But consciously she understood that the problem is because of her. So what is assumed by narrative therapist, that client is expert because client holds the positivity. Then problem are separate entities. Means when you do psychotherapy, this narrative therapy, you separate out the problem from rest of the life. What you do, you separate out the problem from the rest of the life. For example, a very successful businessman or very successful politician or very successful bureaucrat has a problem with the wife. So the problem of the person and the wife is to be separated from his rest of the role. You don't tell him you are such a big bureaucrat and why you are facing such a problem. You are such an intelligent person, why you are facing such a problem. Don't tell that. You understand the problem and separate it from the rest of the life, because he accepts that it is a problem. Then the individual has a set of skill. It is assumed that every individual has a set of skill to resolve the own problem. The fourth one, individual in both the protagonistics and the author role. Means if story is to be written by the person, then he can write his problem, and he can understand his problem, and he can resolve his problem. A narrow perspective to a systematic and more flexible stance. What it means, you restrict while resolving the problem, you restrict it to the problem specific areas. Do not club it with the another role of the individual who brought you the problem. Then to focus on the positive aspects. Now while resolving the problem, the therapist has to focus on the positive side of it. Just for example, a professional visited my office and he said, "Sir, I am not at all interested in sex, and why my wife forces a lot. She is highly dissatisfied." He once told his wife, "यार तेरे को जो करना है कर, बस मेरा दिमाग मत खराब कर." So he is a professional, successful professional. Then I told him what is the importance of relationship, why your wife is seeking good bad relationship with you, and how she has been getting trouble, but he was not accepting it. Finally, I told him what is the basic nature of a man and what man has to do for woman. So later on, finally he accepted it. He went to the doctor, he took some medicine, and the issues is resolved. Person is intelligent, person is professional, person is successful, but only stuck up with one issue. That is, I don't like my wife. वो मुझे बहुत फोर्सी करती हैं, दिमाग खराब करती हैं फालतू में, ऐसे ही बोल के वो इशू को टाल देता था। और उसके वजह से उसके लाइफ में समस्या खड़ी हो गई थी. Then problem are manufactured in social, cultural and political context. Just I am explaining you. The problem of relationship of husband and wife is always constructed in a social concept. It is very common that, it is my observation, I don't know, and I honestly accept that it happens with me also. Wives have habit of checking mobile phone of husband. Husband also can have the same habit, but it is in general tone I am telling you. Wife has a habit because wife are mostly housewife, feels more insecure, and if they also listen to the conversation between husband and the other people, and if there is a conversation of a husband with any lady, and if the conversation is little lovely or little romantic, then the housewife is going to take a objection. So this is a social context in a problem is manufactured. In a film industry, it is a very common phenomenon. Many times it is truthful also. Many times वो सही भी होता है, but many times it may not have a truth, but the problem is constructed in a social context. Similarly, problem can be constructed in a cultural context. शादी एक विशिष्ट पद्धति से ही होती है, करनी चाहिए, अगर नहीं हुई तो वो शादी नहीं मानी जाएगी. अभी भी we have many oldies, they do not accept registered marriage, and then even after the marriage is registered, the person has to go through the cultural and ritualistic event to complete this marriage. That is cultural context. Similarly in political context also. Political context में तो प्रॉब्लम पैदा किए जाते हैं. पॉलिटिकल कंटेक्स्ट में जो प्रॉब्लम अभी रिसेंटली पैदा हुआ है अपने देश में, दैट इज काशी की वो कौन सा अभी वाद चल रहा है, मथुरा के कृष्ण मंदिर का भी वाद है,
ज्ञानव्यापी मंदिर,
हाँ ज्ञानव्यापी वो सेंसलेस चीज़ें मेरे दिमाग में रहती रही है. ज्ञानव्यापी का एक्चुअली ये सेंसलेस चीज़ें हैं. लाइफ हमको जीना है हैप्पीली, और कहाँ हम ज्ञानव्यापी है, जहाँ है वहाँ है, जिसकी है उसकी है. अगर वो हिंदूज़ की है तो हिंदूज़ की है, अगर वो मुस्लिम्स लोगों की है तो मुस्लिम लोगों की है. हमारी लाइफ कहाँ से ज्ञानव्यापी अगर हिंदूज़ की बन गई तो हमारी लाइफ थोड़ी सुधरने वाली है. ज्ञानव्यापी अगर मुस्लिम की रहेगी तो हमारी लाइफ में थोड़ी बदलाव आने वाला है. We are a common man, common people. So it has no relationship with our life. So we should not trouble ourselves on the basis of such a political agenda. That is what I mean. Then a person produces the meaning of their life. This is very, very important point. That every person has capability to produce the meaningful life. However, because of the political, social and cultural influences, we don't do that. Our life is very meaningful. Whichever role you play in your life, even the role of mother is also fantastic. Even the role of housewife is also fantastic. The role of working woman is also fantastic, but it depends on how you add a meaning to it. If you are a housewife and you blame your husband, मैं घर का भी करूँ क्या और ऑफिस का भी करूँ क्या. अभी day before yesterday I have listened to a case, and she has explained the case for 90 to 95 minutes. Audio recording is there. She is a working lady. She is working in a bank. The husband is also working in a good reputed college. and she was consistently telling a good example of narrative, to use narrative therapy. I have listened her for 100 minutes. She tells me, सर मुझे ये बताओ ना कि सर मैं बच्चे को देखूं, सर मैं घर को देखूं, कि सर मैं मेरे मैके वालों को देखूं, कि सर मैं मेरे ससुराल वालों को देखूं, कि मैं मेरे हस्बैंड को देखूं. उसके हस्बैंड को ओसीडी है. क्लीनलीनेस में वो बहुत ज़्यादा कमेंट करता है. अब समस्या ये है, इसके पास में जॉब भी है, 1 साल की बेटी भी है, और घर में सास नहीं है, ससुर जी है, तो ससुर जी तो बेटी को संभालते नहीं, तो इसको बेटी को रखना पड़ता अपने मैके में. मैके में मम्मी है, पिताजी है और बहन है. तो मैके वाले ताना देते हैं, तू तो नौकरी करके पैसे कमाती, बेटी को हम संभाल रहे हैं. हस्बैंड बोलता है कि यार तू इतना भी छोटी छोटी चीज़ों का ध्यान नहीं रह सकती, तेरे सब वस्तुएं इधर उधर पड़ी रहती हैं, कोई चीज़ जगह पे नहीं मिलती, घर साफ सफाई नहीं रहे, घर में साफ सफाई नहीं रहती है, वगैरह वगैरह. ससुर जी बोलते हैं कि ससुर जी बहुत उम्र वाले हैं, 80 साल के हैं. वो बोलते हैं कि मैं भला और मेरा काम भला, तुमको मुझसे कोई, मेरे को तुमसे कोई लेना देना नहीं, लेकिन हाँ मेरे को नाश्ता समय पे मिलना चाहिए, खाना समय पे मिलना चाहिए, दैट्स ऑल. वो एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि बहू उनके लिए खाना पकाए और नाश्ता भी उनको समय पे दे. और फिर वो बैंक में काम करती है, तो बैंक वाला बॉस एक्सपेक्ट करता है कि वो सही समय पे बैंक में पहुंच जाए ताकि कस्टमर सफ़र ना हो. दूसरे शब्दों में उस लेडी के पास में 36 घंटे का काम है और 24 घंटे का समय. उसका हस्बैंड एक्सपेक्ट करता है कि वो ब्यूटीफुल दिखे, जिम जाए, स्लिम बने. अभी बच्चा पैदा होने के बाद में थोड़ी सी मोटी हो गई है, तो हस्बैंड बोलता है तू जिम क्यों नहीं जाती, इतने पैसे का क्या करेगी पैसा कमा के. अरे जिम जाने को समय भी तो होना ना उसके पास में. तो वो क्या बोलती है, उसने इनिशियली सबको काउंटर किया, मैं जैसी हूँ वैसी हूँ, फालतू में आप प्रॉब्लम मत ढूंढो मेरे में, मैं हूँ ऐसी ही हूँ और मैं ऐसी ही रहूँगी. लेकिन उस काउंटर से उसकी समस्या कुछ सॉल्व नहीं हुई, बढ़ गई एक्चुअली. कभी उसकी मम्मी कहती कि अपनी बेटी को लेके जा, तुम्हारे ससुर को बोल कि वो संभालेंगे बेटी को, उनकी भी तो पोती है. कभी बहन डायलॉग दे देती है, बल्कि बहन तो लिटरली उसको ब्लैकमेल करती है, दीदी चल तू आ गई ना, चल पास्ता बुला, चल पिज़्ज़ा बुला, मैंने आज दिन भर तेरे बेटी को संभाला है. तो यू जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड उस लेडी की क्या हालत होती होगी. अब मैंने उसको सिंपली 2 सोल्यूशन दे दिए. पहला सोल्यूशन, तू हस्बैंड को धमका दे कि मैं नौकरी छोड़ रही हूँ. छोड़ना नहीं है बोला नौकरी, लेकिन धमका दे, क्योंकि हस्बैंड से उसकी नौकरी पक्की है, वो बैंक में है और हस्बैंड किसी प्राइवेट कॉलेज में. बोला हस्बैंड को धमका दे कि मैं नौकरी छोड़ती हूँ. और दूसरा, हस्बैंड को ये बोल, अगर तू बोलता है मैं नौकरी नहीं छोड़ूँ, तो तू नौकरी छोड़ और बेटी को संभाल 2 साल तक. बोला देखो कैसे सब लाइन पे आते हैं. ऐसा सोल्यूशन मैंने दिया है. अभी आगे क्या होता है मैं बाद में बताऊंगा. So person produces the meaning of their life. Then narrative contexts are made up of event linked by the theme. जब स्टोरीज कोई अपने लाइफ की बताता है तो वो नैरेट करता है, एंड उसमें देर आर मेनी इवेंट्स लिंक्ड टू ईच अदर. अभी मैंने आपको उस बैंक वाले लेडी के केस में बताया हाउ इवेंट्स आर लिंक्ड विथ ईच अदर. That is the meaning of the point 9. A story emerges a certain event. Yes, in the case of this lady, there are n number of events responsible for her problem, and select only certain information while ignoring other events. This is most important point, 11th point. Select only certain information while ignoring other events. In the case of this lady, which point you will select to give her solution? This is my question to you. I want to take a rest of 1 or 2 minutes. So just answer me, which point can be selected to give a solution to the lady, the bank wali lady.